Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you've just received your AT&T internet equipment and are ready to set it up yourself, you're in the right place. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. It's straightforward and you can have your internet up and running in no time. Right, so the very first, very obvious, essential step is unboxing your equipment. So open a box and confirm that all items are included. BGW210 gateway, power adapter, Ethernet cable, red ONT cable if required, and set of instructions. Keep the gateway's QR code or sticker handy as it contains your Wi-Fi network name and password. After that, guys, locate your connection point. Find the AT&T wall outlets. If you have a ONT, which is a optical network terminal, locate the fiber jack. Alright, after that, guys, connect the gateway. You can plug in the cables. So for the broadband connection, we have such things that you need to do. If you have a DSL setup, connect the green DSL cable from the wall jack to the green port of your BGW210. For fiber setups, use the red ONT cable to connect the ONT to the red port labeled ONT on the router. And after that, plug the power adapter into the gateway and turn into a wall outlet. Also, we have now the next step, which is powering it on. Alright guys, so just turn on the gateway by pressing the power button. Wait for the broadband lights to turn solid green. This might take up to 10 minutes or so. If the light remains red or flashes green, recheck cable connections. Right guys, now connect your devices. Locate your Wi-Fi network name, which is SSID, it's just like everywhere, and password on the label of your router. On your device, go to the Wi-Fi settings, select the network and enter the password. For the wired connection, connect your device to one of the Ethernet ports for a stable, high-speed connection. After that, last step, you can test your internet. Open a browser on a connected device and visit a website to confirm internet access. If you encounter issues, restart the gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. And that's it, guys. You have successfully set up your AT&T internet with the BGW210 gateway. Enjoy your fast, reliable connection. If you run into any issues, AT&T support is always available for you. So guys, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up as always, support our channel, subscribe, and see you next time.